Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some morning grain and oilseed comments for Friday, June 14th. Overnight trade, we have the wheat market down around 4 cents, but a little bit of a reversal from yesterday's onslaught. We've got the nearby beans up around 10 cents, the November up 5. We've got the meal market up in the neighborhood of around $3 to $4. The new crop pretty much unchanged. Got the corn market up around 3 to 4 cents, D's unchanged, and the oil market up around 30 points. The onslaught yesterday as a result of the last day of the Goldman roll. You can see in the last 5 minutes of trade on how we really beat up the spreads. Now that that's over with, and the spreads have been a little bit on the decline, we've rebounded in the overnight trade, and now the true market will come back into place as far as that Goldman roll versus what we've been seeing in the delivery market, what we've been seeing in the cash market, what we're looking for deliveries at the end of the month, and with our farmer sell rate, we'll see if we can't have a true market now as far as trying to get these spreads back on track again on a supportive tone. So that's what's going on immediately. There's not much in the way of overnight news. We're still running on the fumes from the recent USDA report. Argentina's trying to finish up their corn harvest, get their wheat planted. China's futures markets were a little bit easier following our Chicago losses, even though we were higher in the overnight trade. After today, we've got 2 weeks to work to go into a very important report at the end of the month, June 28th. It'll be our quarterly stocks and our acreage numbers. Right now, the trade is looking at less corn acreage, more bean acreage, but that gets a little bit clouded over this prevent plant talk that we've been having of late. So the trade will be looking at that. We have a NOPA crush coming out on Monday morning, and that will be somewhat interesting because we've been out there trying to ration our beans, but all we continue to do is find out that we have good crushing margins and the need for meal, so that'll be an important number. Obviously, we'll continue to watch crop progress and weather as far as trying to get our crop developed, but there's no glaring problems right there. And then, like I say, at the end of the month, we'll be having first notice day in conjunction with the acreage and the stocks number, which will be a bigger report than what we just saw here on Wednesday. So anyway, a little bit of a mixed better call in here, looking for the spreads to try and fight their way back with the cash markets being where they're at and the lack of farmer movement. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
I